Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to enable gestures navigation in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings, then click on system settings. Here it is system navigation. Click on gestures navigation like this, and you will see three dots are not is showing. You have to simply swipe, you have to press back by swipe right like this, and if you want to go to home screen, then you have to swipe upwards like this, and if you want to go to recent tabs, swipe up and just release the button. It will show as a recent tabs. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.